Welcome to Trendverse by Uzma Amin, your destination for the latest trends in AI, online earning, blogging, finance, technology, and future skills. If you want to stay ahead, learn smarter, and grow faster in the digital world, you're in the right place. Subscribe to join our growing community. Like and share to support valuable content. Turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Let's learn, earn, and grow together.
Okay, get this. A full professional website built in about the time it takes to make a cup of coffee. Sounds kind of nuts, right? Almost like something out of science fiction. But believe it or not, we're diving into an AI tool today that claims it can do exactly that. I mean, just think about building a website the old-fashioned way. It's a nightmare, right? You're wrestling with code, trying to be a designer, hunting for the perfect images, writing every single word. It's this massive headache that can drag on for weeks. And honestly, it stops so many good ideas right in their tracks. But what if you could just skip all of that, the whole frustrating process, and have a fully functional, ready-to-go website in, wait for it, 30 seconds? Yeah, that's the claim. Not 30 minutes, not 30 hours, 30 seconds. Okay, so the big question is, how on earth is that even possible? Well, the answer is in this new wave of AI tools, and we're going to focus on one in particular. It's called Durable. Let's break down what it is and see how it pulls this off. So on the surface, Durable is an AI website builder. Simple enough, but here's the key. Its whole purpose is to automate everything. Think about it this way. Instead of handing you a blank canvas and a toolbox and saying, good luck, it's more like having an instant designer, a copywriter, and a developer all on your team ready to go. And you have to appreciate what you're actually getting in those 30 seconds. This isn't just, a simple landing page. Nope. The AI spits out a complete website layout. It writes all the descriptions and text for you. It finds images that actually make sense, and it even throws in a working contact form. It's basically a complete business starter kit, handed to you in less than a minute. Okay, this all sounds amazing, but you're probably thinking, what's the catch? Like, there must be some complicated setup, right? You might be picturing command lines or some tech wizardry, but nope. The process is so simple. It's really just a couple of clicks. This is literally the entire process. Step 1, you just tell the AI what your business is. Are you a photographer, a marketing agency, a dog walker? You just type that in. Step 2, you hit the big generate button. And step 3, well, there isn't really a step 3. You just sit back and watch the magic happen as the AI builds your site right before your eyes. Now look, let's be real. The site the AI generates isn't going to be 100% perfect right out of the gate. Of course, you're going to want to tweak it and add your own personal touch. But the great news is, you don't suddenly need to go take a coding bootcamp to do it. The whole platform is designed for total beginners. You can literally just click on any text to change it, swap out their images for your own, and you can add, remove, or shuffle entire sections of the page with a simple drag and drop. And here's the best part, absolutely zero coding needed. So you might be wondering, who really needs this? I mean, beyond just being a cool party trick, what's the real impact here? Well, this is where that time-saving part becomes an absolute game changer for so many people. Let's just stop and really put this in perspective for a second. The old way, you're looking at days, maybe even weeks of work. You need to know how to code, how to design, or you need to pay someone who does. The AI way, it takes seconds. And the only skill you need is being able to describe what you do in a few words. The shift from this complex, manual grind to a simple, automated process, it's just huge. So whose life does this actually change? Well, first and foremost, small business owners who just need to get online like yesterday. But it's also a massive boost for freelancers trying to show off their work or content creators looking to build their brand. Even students who need a quick, professional-looking site for a project. Really, it's for anyone who looks at their to-do list and thinks, I need a website and I need it now. When you zoom out, tools like Durable are about way more than just building websites. They're a signpost for a much bigger shift that's happening. A move away from us doing these complex manual tasks and towards a future of simple, instant creation. Really, it all comes down to this one really powerful idea. AI is making technology way easier and way faster for all of us. The real magic here is accessibility. Think about it. Powerful tools that used to be locked away behind a huge wall of technical skills or big price tag, that wall is crumbling. Now anyone can get access, instantly. So the big takeaway here is that we are literally watching tasks that took weeks get squished down into seconds. And that leaves us with a pretty wild question to chew on. If building a whole website is a 30-second job today, what's next? What other massive, complicated things will we be able to do just like that tomorrow?